Well, this is the Samsung one. It's a smart TV.
Smart TV.
And let me show you. I repeat my word, it's a smart TV. It's all new, original one, you can see. It's basically a ULED. We have the flat also, we have the both one. And you can see everything.
I'll show you smart. Have a Wi-Fi.
Have Wi-Fi, apps. Netflix, Amazon, YouTube, TED, everything is available.
Yeah.
Spotify. Now let me show you the quality. It's all original Samsung Smart TV. We're gonna play some video to show you the quality, because many customers they request me for these things.